Hi everyone, I'm sharing with you how to do your own nail today as I promised with you before. So I bought the press on nails online and I left one old nail there so I can show you how to take it off. So I have a bowl of warm water, soak your finger in there for about 1 to 2 minutes. So the packet comes in with the wooden stick like that. It have the flat on the one side and pointy on the other side. You use the flat side and you go underneath the nail, the fake nail, not your real nail, and then you trying to scrape it off. Do it very careful and gentle so you don't damage your real nail. Okay, and I just want to say I'm not a professional nail technician, so I'm just share what I do to my nail at home. Okay, so be careful when you do your own nail at home too, not to damage your real one. And try to go little at the time. Eventually it's gonna come out. Try to lift it up a little bit at the time. Don't damage your nail and it'll come up right there. So you use the nail file to clean the top of your nail right there. So all the glue from the old glue to get off your nail and clean that area. As long as you don't see any glue still there, and you are good to go. Feel free to cut it if you want to. Cut a little bit. If not, you can just file at the end of your nail. And soak it in the water. And after that, I use the wipe. You can use a facial wipe to clean it out, or you can use the towel. Make sure you clean them all, and then after that, you're going to dry all your nails very good. I do this one every week, and sometimes that I can do like every other week. It stay very long too if you apply your nail the right way. It will stay and very comfortable. So usually the package come with 24 nails, and you can have like you can use this for 2 times, if you're not a caterpillar, you're fine. If you are a centerpiece, you have to buy 2 of this to do it. I'm just kidding. So the nail coming with all different size, and you have to try it on each of your fingers and see what it fit on your nails perfectly. Usually the biggest one for your thumb and so on. So you decide which one you want to use that based on your nail. I cannot tell you because it doesn't have any special number or anything like that. I usually order the short nail that fit me perfectly. I don't like the long one. It's really long. So try it on and line them all up. From your thumb to index and middle finger to the ring and to your pinky. So line up perfectly like that. So when time to apply on your nail, you are set. You don't need to search for it. So when you look at the nail, it has the 2 sides. One is straight and one is round. The round one, like I'm showing, it go right on top of your nail where the cuticle go right there. It's round. Okay, you have to make sure that the straight one is facing out. So everyone, with this kind of press-on nails, it usually come with the glue like this one. It's like a double side kind of glue. So you press it under your nail and then apply onto your nail. But I don't like it, so I bought the liquid glue. And it works so much better than that one. It dry very good too, and it stay long to your nail. So you paint it right on top of your nail, just a thin layer on each of your nail, but you do one at a time because the glue dry quickly. So how you painted your nail, you do exactly the same, and hold the nail on the side. Don't hold underneath because you need room to put it on top of it. And place it on, you press it gently. And then when you feel that on the top there's no bumpy, no space, that means you do it right. So make sure you hold on the side. I'm showing you later. Hold on the side and then place on top of the nail. And then after you see everything is okay, then you put it down and then you press it. Do not press it on your cuticle. It have to be on your nail only. So watch the video, and then you know. I go very slow too. When I do this, I don't watch any video. They don't show me. See, now I forgot which one. Okay, see that? I'm holding and temporary like that, and then I look and see it look good. Then I press this down, and it dry right away. It stick right down. If you put it down and it doesn't look good, you have to soak it back in the warm water and take it out the way I showed you earlier. Now I feel it's smooth, it doesn't have any bumpy or space, then I'm good to go. And continue to do the next one and the next one until you're finished. Sometimes you can take it off after a week or two, and then you can reuse it for the next time or reuse that again, because your nail grow underneath. So sometimes you take it out and apply again. If you want to change it, then change. You see how it stay very well. It dry perfectly right after that. So that's what I like about this. But sometimes you do the nail polish, it's like, oh my goodness, I have to wait for so long and I have no time for it. I have them on my toes too. The toes nail is different than fingernails, okay? Just want to let you know. Don't use your fingernails for your toenails. The people, I mean, you can. Halloween coming. So continue to do that. I show you one, and you know, the first time you use your press-on nails, you're a little bit scared, but then, you know, nothing to be scared. Look what I'm doing. It's not gonna hurt, it's not gonna kill you or anything like that. You gotta be gentle, and if it's not the way you want, then you soak in the warm water and take it out and reapply again. Continue to do that. You see how it stays very well? Right after that, you can go out and do whatever you need to do. And so now, after you're done, you go on to file at the end, because sometimes it has some little thing like sharp at the in the middle of the nail. So you gotta file until you feel like smooth. I finished, everyone. It looks so nice. So the press-on nail also it sell at Marshall, but it's more expensive. My sister gave me this nails from Temu, but I don't know that company, so I cannot recommend for that website. So do whatever you feel comfortable. But I do know that they're cheaper than other websites. You make your own call. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Love you. Take care.